What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the Red King Zeus, and I'm back with another video. I'm about to just show y'all the video on like my speakers I got. These speakers from my last V6. They 212s. They budget speakers. They like 2,500 watts. The amp I got under here, it's up under here, so I ain't gonna show y'all, but it's a 4,000 amp watt. So I can't have my amp all the way up, or I just blow my speakers. I really blew these already before, so I had to get some. I got the same kind again. But yeah, these some budget speakers. They hit good though. I'm getting some tweeters, they coming in, but I just said I'll just go ahead and do a video on the speaker. I'm gonna let y'all know how it sound and stuff like that. But yeah, they straight. I had them in my V6. They the same ones, but they different speakers. They 212s. They hit. You feel me? I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sound.
You know there was us, they put your man in the filter. Bitch, you fucking on the boss, I ain't no mouth in the middle. Every time I was a suspect, you was always a bit. If my student get too busy, then I might come and get you. Now they screaming R.I.P. and cons and posting your picture. If he DCGB CEO, come after a nigga. Chop a guy until I die, and even after this.
But yeah, I just let y'all hear how it sound. It's a little dusty, I gotta wipe them off, but yeah. They was just sitting in my room for a minute when I had wrecked my car. Or they a little dusty. But y'all like up and sub, man. I ain't got no subs, I ain't getting no likes like that. Y'all like up and sub. Give me some views, a little something. Or share something. But yeah, these speakers. Y'all heard how they sounded the clip before this. But yeah, y'all just like up and sub if y'all like the vid. I mean, I know y'all can't really hear the speakers in the video, cause you know how like it take out the sound a little bit, but you know it beating. You feel me? If y'all can't really tell by the phone, but yeah, just know they beat. You feel me? They hit. You feel me? But y'all like them and sub, man.